Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the mathematics class of 8th standard. In today's video, we will see what are terms, expressions, like and unlike terms and polynomials. How do we write sum of 3 and 7 in a mathematical way? Now, sum means addition. So, sum of 3 and 7 is written as 3 plus 7, where here both 3 plus 7, it contains only numbers, so it is called numerical expression. So, only numbers, numerical expression. Let's consider one more example. Sum of a number and 7. When I say a number, it is unknown. So, let's take it as a variable x and we can write it as x plus 7. Here x is a variable. So, the entire expression is called as algebraic expression. If the expression contains variable, then it is algebraic expression. If it contains only number, then it is numerical expression. Now consider this statement. Sum of a number and 7 equals 12. Again, when I say sum of a number, it is unknown. So I can write it as x plus 7 is equal to 12. So there is a variable, constant and equal to sign. So it's called an equation. Next we'll see the terms. Consider 4. It is only one term and it's a constant. If we write 4 plus x, here we have two terms, that is 4 and x, separated by a plus sign. Next we'll take 4 divided by x. Here it is only one term. Even though 4 is divided by x, it is treated only one term, not two terms, because it's only addition and subtraction which separate them as terms, not multiplication or division. Let's take one more example, that is 4 plus x minus y. Here we have one addition and subtraction sign, so we have three terms. Next we will take 4x. Here 4 and x are multiplied, so it is only one term. So remember, only addition and subtraction will separate the terms. Multiplication and division do not separate. Look at these terms. 14xz plus 53y minus 3. You have one plus and one minus sign. So they will be treated as three terms. This expression has three terms, that is 14xz, 53y and 3. Let's take one more term, that is 23x square y minus 4y cube. It has two terms, that is 23x square y and 4y cube. Next we'll see polynomials. The word poly means many, whereas nomial means terms or parts. So polynomial is nothing but an expression with many terms. There are different type of polynomials. A polynomial can be an expression with just one term, or with two terms, or with three terms, or more than three or higher number of terms. All these categories come under one term called polynomial. But expressions with just one term, two term or three term are given special names. That is, expression with one term is called as monomial. With two terms it is called as binomial, and with three terms it is called as trinomials. Let's take some examples. First we'll take a term 7. It is a monomial because it has only one term. Next we'll take 4x. Even though 4 is a coefficient and x is a variable, because it is multiplication, it's only one term, so monomial. 3ab square. This is also monomial. Examples for binomial. Bi means 2. 4 plus x. So plus will separate it as two terms. Next, 3xy minus x. So this is also a binomial. Next we'll see example for trinomial as 3 plus a plus b, which has three terms, that is 3a and b. Next example can be 3cd plus a plus 8. Here also we have three terms. Last, the example for higher number of terms can be something like 4x plus 9 plus 3x plus y, which has four terms, which is a polynomial. Next we'll see two types of terms, that is like terms and unlike terms. terms having same variables with the same powers are called like terms, whereas the unlike terms will have different variables or same variables with different powers. Let's try to understand it with example. Consider two terms, that is 7xy and 15xy. Are these two terms like or unlike? Remember, to know the type, we just have to look at only the variables and not the constant. Both these terms have the same variables, that is x and y. But that is not enough for us to tell whether they are like or unlike. We should also see the powers of these variables. Power of x is same in both the terms, that is it has the power of 1. Similarly, another variable y also have the same power, that is 1 again. So they have same variables and the powers of each are also same, so they are like terms. What about 3x square y and 3xy cube? Are they like or unlike? Again, we have to see whether they have the same variable. X and y are the two variables present in both, so they have the same variable. Now let's see power of x. In the first term, x has the power of 2 and in the second case, it has only 1. So, powers are not same. Only the variables are same. We can tell they are unlike. But wait, did we check for the power of y? No, but it is not necessary also, because if one of the variable has different power, then they will be unlike terms. Consider 8xyz and 8xy. First term has three variables, they are x, y and z. The second term has only two variables, that is x and y, which means both the terms have different variables. So they are called unlike terms. So now I hope you are clear with what are terms, expressions, polynomials, like and unlike terms. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.